Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off adaptive brightness in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. Adaptive brightness means based on the light on the environment of your phone display will set to some brightness. Okay, so it will automatically adjust the brightness and set to the current level, that is current light condition. It will adjust to the current light conditions. If you want to turn it off and set your own brightness, that is if you want to set at a particular level, you can do it. Okay, for that you go to turn off adaptive brightness. First go to the settings of your phone and here, and go to display, then see here adaptive brightness is turned on. Okay, if you try to reduce the brightness, it will not reduce because of adaptive brightness is turned on, and it will measure the light around your phone, and according to that condition it will adjust, and it is set to high level automatically. If you turn off adaptive brightness using this button, just turn it off, and now you can control. Okay, now you can control, and very minimum brightness is set now. Okay, in this way you can set between the level irrespective of what your phone has surrounding light. That's the purpose of adaptive brightness. So here I got turn off adaptive brightness, and I can myself adjust to any level without worrying about the surrounding light. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.